Here is how we can upload Capcut video to YouTube using the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So here's the Capcut app. I have just downloaded the app, even though I've been using it for quite a while before, but I have to go through the setup process a little bit. Then I'm going to allow access to the photos like this, and when I go to the edit mode, I can start a new project, import the clips into the timeline, whatever, right? I can perform some edits as I like it, and at the end, I'm gonna delete the watermark. So let's say that you are happy with the result. You can decide how exactly you upload it to the YouTube, because as you can see right now, it is a vertical video. If you want to upload it to YouTube as horizontal video, the long form one, just like the one you're currently watching, this tutorial is in the landscape. So you can decide it when you are inside of the video editor and click on the button below for aspect ratio. You can see the square. You can decide if it's going to be vertical like this one or horizontal like that. And now you can kind of like stretch it out to fill up the frame. That is of course up to you. But let's say that I'm going to choose the horizontal format. I'm going to confirm it, make sure that everything is fine. And once I'm happy with it, I can export it. Before, you're going to check the export settings, so you can choose the resolution, frame rate, and some other settings like quality and so on. But I'm going to click on export like this, wait for it to be finished. And then this video is going to be saved in our gallery. So we can go to the gallery like this. And the latest thing at the bottom is this video, which we just worked on. So you can see it's been made today and it's exactly as we edited it. So now we move over to the YouTube app. You get inside. If you don't have it downloaded or updated, make sure you wait for it to be completed so you get the latest version of the app like I do. It appears that in my case, the YouTube app has been offloaded, so we have to give it a second for it to load up. But yes, we are going to use the official YouTube app, the one you use to watch videos, to also upload. You just have to make sure that you are signed in. At the bottom right corner, I have my profile picture, but now I can click on the plus button, go through the setup like this, right? And you essentially want to select the photos in there. So go to the gallery, give it access. I'm going to click on allow full access, and I'm going to choose this photo or this video. I actually have to make sure that I'm not in the short, so I have to go to the video mode and click the selected, the latest one as such. I have to give it a go to see if it's really the one I want to upload, and then click on the next. And all I have to do now is to set up the title, description, tags, whatever I need, and click on upload. And that's how you can upload a video edited in a Capcut. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the future uploads.